Okay, so we're in second position. We're gonna push it around, and then we're gonna go bum, bum. We're gonna go step, touch, touch, jazz square. Right, cross, back, back, cross, turn all the way around stage right, and then look. And then we go step, touch. Here's our wobble, turkey legs, wobble, and push out. It's your right foot. Hop in, hop out again. It's your right foot. Now we're gonna do our V step. Push your arms down, back. We go 1, 2, 3. Shake your change, chasse back, rock back, chasse back. 3-step turn all the way around. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna use the same arm as leg. Cross, touch, cross, touch, cross. Big arms around. Touch your knee. We're going to go all the way around, touch the other knee. Take that arm out, step out, fan kick. This is the one where it says please. Please. Sha, 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 throw it away. Here's our silly step. Sha, sha, sha. Silly chicken. Silly chicken. Push it out. Push it out. And then we do poultry tail. Folks out on the farm, and look again. Now here's our little hustle. Right, left, and da, front, back, side, side. That's a little bit tricky. We're gonna keep working on it. Hustle, hustle, and we stomp front, back, side, side. We're gonna get that. Big pivot turn around. Step again on your left foot. Step forward, 3-step turn to the front. 1, 2, 3, try to step all the way out there. Big arms out on the farm. Okay, let's try that with music, okay?
We're locked and loud and ready. It's a poultry tale of folks down on the farm.
Step, touch, good, jazz square. Right, cross, back, cross, turn, look. Good. Step, touch, step. Here we go. Wobble. Yeah, good. Out. Here's our V step. Out. In 1, 2, 3. Shake your change. 1, 2, 3. Chasse back and hug. Chasse back. 3-step turn with a big step out. Same arm as leg. Cross, touch, cross, big arms. Knee,
She's my
knee, step, and kick.
if I'm laying on the
Here's your silly step. Ready?
she could repeat it quack